Assalamu alaikum dear students. Let's begin with the new chapter. Do you want to study new chapter? Okay, I'm not going to start new chapter. We will start it in next session. Today we'll see some fun activities which will increase your brain power as well as will boost your concentration level also. So here is the first picture. From this picture you have to find out the dog. Your time starts now. You will be having 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, time up. So here is the correct answer. This is the picture of dog. Okay, let's move with the next one. From this picture you have to find out 6 hidden words. Let me give you one example for that. Here is chill, CHILL. So likewise you have to find out other 5 words. So I am keeping for you guys. You will try to solve by yourself. Let's move with the next one. Again you are having one picture and you have to find out 6 hidden words. This we will do now. Okay. Let me help you. I am giving you one word, that is bucket. Okay. Likewise find out other 5 words and your time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. Time up. Did you get 6 words? Okay, let's see what are that. Here is the first one, that is bucket. Then this is roller. Then this one rush. Then where is the another one? Yeah, this one color, COLOR. Then tab. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1 is left. So here it is paint. Did you get these words? If yes, then very good. Excellent. Let's move with the next one. You have to find out any 4 words. Now you can make any words like are, is, any you can make, but you should get 4 words. Okay, spellings must be correct. So your time starts now. You will be having 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. Here I'm not going to give you answer because it depends on you that which kind of words you have found. Okay, but you can make any kind of words. Here see, I have one word rob. You can make this also. Then here we have another word, that is help, HELP, help. So likewise you can make any word. Okay, so it's up to you. Then TOE, toe. Okay, let's move with the next. Are you ready for that? Okay, now here you have to find out the word dog. Here you can see only DONG, but they have arranged in such a way that you will not get the word dog very easily. Now you can make it horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Okay, so let's try to find it out. You are having 5 seconds. Time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. Did you get that? It's very easy. I'm not going to give you answer for this. Okay, let's move with the next one. Now here is one activity or one game which you can play with your friends also, and believe me, you will enjoy it. Okay, so let's try to understand it, that what exactly you have to do. Say the color of each word. So here you can see they have written some words. So these words are nothing but the color's name. So we can say color's name written with colors, right? Here, but the note they have given, don't read the word like black, white, yellow, green, red. Likewise, you don't have to read it. But what you have to do, you have to read the color's name. Means here black. Black is written with which color? It's written with red color. So you have to speak red, not the black. Okay, red. Then black, green, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow, black, रेड, ग्रीन. यानी जो कलर से उसे लिखा है वो कलर का नेम आपको बोलना है. ओके, सो यू कैन प्ले एंड यू कैन decide the winner in such a way that whoever will speak it faster without any error, then he or she will be the winner. Okay, जो भी पहले इसे फिनिश कर देगा विदाउट एनी एरर वो क्या होगा? विनर. जो भी कम टाइम में इसे फिनिश करेगा. ओके, believe me, you all will enjoy this. Okay, so try it once at your home by yourself. Okay, now in next session we'll begin with the new chapter. Till then, have a good day ahead and